Cooking seafood doesn't have to be intimidating. I'll show you how easy it is with my friends at Hy-Vee.
Sautéed swordfish with lemon and capers is a simple dish that anyone can master the first time that they try it. I'm Andrew Zimmern. This is seafood without the catch. The perfect time to sauté a big piece of swordfish for 2 people? How about date night? Swordfish is so forgiving, so forgiving. I mean, it's arguably the easiest fish in the case to cook.
It's one of the fish that we constantly have to coach people to.
Right.
Like you said, once they try it, they love it. So our swordfish comes from Indonesia. So one of the great things about Hy-Vee and our responsible sourcing is we send people out to the boats and make sure that those boats are taking care of the fishermen. We're out there making sure they're using the right fishing practices, making sure that they're treating the environment responsibly.
But I also want to make sure that the product that I'm eating is sustainable, that it represents fair treatment of human beings, and that I'm being a good global citizen by buying it.
When you have those checks and balances and Hy-Vee actually follows through on it, you know we're going to get the best fish.
Okay, let's get this swordfish in the pan.
Super classic dish, Italian in style, often referred to as alla piccata. But it's really just a simple marriage of 4 or 5 ingredients. Lemons you can have on hand, shallots keep for a long, long time. Always have a bunch of parsley fresh in your refrigerator, and capers in brine. They add a lot of punch. I'm gonna saute this one piece of fish, and I'm going to serve it on a platter for 2 people to share, along with this beautiful whipped sweet potato. Preheat your pan, stick a nice big knob of butter in there. We're gonna let that melt. Hit that with a little salt, put a little bit of white pepper on there. It's gonna take about 6 minutes on each side for this fish to be cooked all the way through. So just take it like this, lay one side down, and settle it into the pan again. So another 5-6 minutes. Oh, that's beautiful. Of course, my shallot and caper sauce. 2/3 of my parsley go in there. I'm saving a little bit for color at the end. And I want to get all of those sticky bits, the fond, off the bottom. That's where that flavor is. Hit it with your acid. That's that lemon juice. A little bit more salt. Is there anything better than butter and sweet potatoes? I don't think so. And then the whole thing comes together. That is a gorgeous shallot and caper sauce on that swordfish. That sauce is so bright with lemon and brown butter and capers and shallots. This is the ideal fish dish, 15 minutes from start to finish, and you are gonna look like a pro.